Father James Guadalupe Carney had worked in Honduras for 18 years. His defense of human rights and his support of farmers' organizing efforts resulted in his deportation in 1979. After working as a pastor in Nicaragua, he returned to Honduras in 1983 as a chaplain to an armed revolutionary column. The group was captured by the Honduran army, and Father Carney was disappeared. Although officials presented his chalice and stole to his relatives, they never explained the circumstances of his death, suggesting only that he probably starved to death in the mountains.
There's the most basic need that a man has to fulfill is food. And of course, when a valley like this could produce enough food, they say, for all Central America, is producing vegetable oil for Castle and Cook Company, I mean, that's a terrible crime. It's a sin. And that's why we Christians nowadays in Latin America, we want to change that. We rebel against that. Even if they call us communists, even if they kill us, we have to try to do something about it. We have to try to wake our people up, the poor campesino. Tell them to get organized. Tell them to try to change the situation.
Recordar su nombre puedo reflexionar que hizo para Honduras libertad e igualdad, al lado de los pobres con machete y asadón, formó cooperativas en Lloro y en Colón, también hay en Toyos, yo llevo su sermón, la Legión de María y todo el pueblo de Dios. El Tigrico se Ayala, hermano de valor, decían que Guadalupe era enviado de Dios. Él nos trajo su luz, él nos trajo su luz, y también la gran lucha por la cual murió Jesús. Él nos trajo su luz, él nos trajo su luz, y también la gran lucha por la cual murió Jesús. ¡Sí! Hermano, ¿por qué me llamas padre? Si padre solo es Dios, nos decía con amor. Cuida la tierra, hermano, y produce con amor, porque si tú no lo haces, te la roba el gran Señor. Decía en su sermón, decía en su sermón, el padre Guadalupe que del pueblo era la voz. Decía en su sermón, decía en su sermón, el padre Guadalupe que del pueblo era la voz. ¡Hey! Hermano, si hemos sido bautizados para ser salvos, seremos salvadores con Jesús. Decía el padre Guadalupe, porque sus palabras eran luz.
They left us a great legacy, a legacy of profound love for our people, for the dispossessed, for the poorest, for the excluded. We respond to that legacy by committing ourselves to continue the struggle. They believe that a different Honduras is possible, a just Honduras, with the room for all of Not only they believe in this, but they struggle for it, dedicating their life tirelessly to organize, to building that new Honduras in which they believe and for which they gave their most precious gift, their life.
Recordar su nombre puedo reflexionar que hizo para Honduras libertad e igualdad al lado de los pobres con machete y asadón formó cooperativas en Lloro y en Colón también hay en Toyos no llevo sus
12 or 13 years now, helping to try to form some Christians within the labor movement. Maybe it's that the communists won't dominate so much. And of course, we're accused of being communists then, because maybe some of the labor leaders are communists, or at least they have those tendencies, but there are many of us that are Christians also, who also want the changes. It's the whole capitalist system where people are out to make profit. And so the American owners of these companies are out to make profit. What does it mean to them that people are starving meanwhile, as long as they make their profit? That's what we call imperialism in these countries.
Father Carney's autobiography, To Be a Revolutionary, was published by HarperCollins in 1985.